That one wasn't bad, but I think the bug holes are the biggest issue. I could have been more stable with the bead that I was running as well. I should probably get a proper workbench. It's slower that time, so it came out wider, which is nice. Still got those bug holes in it. I'm not really sure what happened here. Yeah. I've tried turning the gas down for this one. The wire keeps getting welded to the tip. I don't really know why that is. I wonder if I'm holding it too close. That was interesting. So for this one I turned the gas down to a 4. I don't really know what happened here, to be honest. So, a bit of background on the gas. I've got the stock regulator with a disposable bottle. Usual argon CO2. I was running it on a 6, but apparently these regulators are meant to work between 3 and 4. And I know you can get too much gas, but I don't think that's what's happening to me. I feel like maybe I'm not getting enough gas. So I'm going to put it back up to a 6. See what happens. Also, my settings, I've got wire feed 7, where you can see it all basically. Basically max power. So this one's going to be gas back up to a 6. There is definitely a lot of air in that, air in that weld. I could see the bubbles when I was welding, which is something that I wasn't looking for before.